Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna describe or show you how to apply an e-visa to travel to Saudi Arabia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Saudi Arabia e-visa portal. So click on sign in. But before you even do that, let's understand which are the countries eligible. So if you scroll down, it will list out all the countries that are eligible for this. And if your country is not in the list, contact the nearest Saudi Arabia embassy for your visa. So click on sign in. If you have the account set up, put the credential, click on login. If you don't have, click on sign up. Select your passport type. Many will have regular. Country of nationality. So I select Canada, tada, and put the numbers and be careful. I don't know why I always fail in this. Put next. Okay, so put your first name, last name, mobile number, email, question, answer, password, confirm, and register. So I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, guys. So what happens when you do this? It sends an email to your email account with a link to activate, or you can say verify. And then when you try to log in using the credentials that you created, it sends a verification code to the email, so that another layer of safety. Once you get in, you get these two options. So if you're applying as an individual, click on it. For group, you're going to click on there. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I select no. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where I think important are first three. Fourth is terms and condition, fifth is review, and sixth is payment. Okay. Picture you have to upload. First name. I'm just putting sample. You do as per your own case. Father name or middle name. English. Last name. Optional if available passport. Gender. Marital status. Date of birth. All this information you have to do as per your own case. Don't go by what I am doing. Country of birth, city of birth, profession, current residence, city, postal code, sample, address. Don't do like this, do it as per your own case. Okay, I have not uploaded the picture. Okay, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys in next screen. So we are in the next screen. Passport type I have selected regular. Most of people will have regular. Passport number. All these details, guys, at least 2 times. You have to mention passport issue place, country or city. Okay, I'll say date, expiry, expected date of arrival, departure, additional purpose of visit. So even if you're going for Umrah, leisure, family and friends. I just said leisure. Residential address in Saudi Arabia, whichever you are visiting, or relative, commercial accommodation, hotel you can select. Okay. Name is required. Wow. Medical insurance. Select which one you have. Okay. That insurance coverage above with a fee. Okay, fine. and then terms condition review application where all the details will appear, and then you can go ahead, pay the fee, and once you are granted and once your process is granted, you are all good to go. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.